When it comes to tackling tough tasks, having the right lighting is essential. A reliable, rechargeable LED work light not only provides the brightness you need, but also offers portability, durability, and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on a home project, car repairs, or need a dependable light for outdoor activities, these versatile lights deliver optimal illumination in various environments. Featuring adjustable brightness, durable builds, and extended battery life, the best rechargeable LED work lights combine functionality and convenience. In this list, we've rounded up the top 5 models that stand out for their power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Let's dive into the best options to keep you lit up and ready to work. Number 1. PARTPHONER LED Work Light. The rechargeable LED work light with stand from PARTPHONER is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for various tasks. Designed with an aluminum construction, this portable, cordless work light is equipped with an 8Ah battery offering up to 2,500 lumens of brightness. It features 3 adjustable brightness levels: 500, 1500, and 2500 lumens with color temperature settings of 4000K to 6500K to suit different working environments. The light is also dimmable to adjust according to your needs. The included detachable tripod ensures stability, and a carrying bag makes it easy to transport. Perfect for construction sites, camping, or emergency situations, this work light delivers reliable performance wherever you need it. Number 2. HOTLIGH LED Work Light. The rechargeable work light from HOTLIGH is an essential tool for all your work and outdoor needs. Featuring a 5,000 mAh battery, this magnetic flashlight delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination. The 360-degree rotating and foldable design allows you to adjust the light to any angle, perfect for car repairs, camping, or emergency situations. With a powerful 1200 lumens LED light, you'll enjoy bright and clear visibility even in dark environments. It offers 3 lighting modes, enabling you to choose the right brightness for your task. Whether you need focused light for precision work or a broad spread for general tasks, this work light provides the flexibility and power you need to get the job done efficiently. Number 3. Coquimbo LED Work Light. The Coquimbo tool. Gifts for men, him, dad are an excellent addition to any toolbox, offering a rechargeable LED work light with a magnetic base for hands-free use. These lights feature a 360-degree rotating design, making them perfect for a variety of tasks like car repairs, camping, BBQ grilling, or emergency situations. The bright LED lights provide ample illumination, ensuring clear visibility in any environment. With their durable build and convenient magnetic base, these work lights can be attached to metal surfaces for maximum efficiency. This 2-pack of black work lights makes an ideal gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or just as a practical gift for any man who loves to tinker or work outdoors. Number 4. NEIKO LED Work Light. The NEIKO 40464A cordless LED work light is a versatile and reliable lighting solution for various tasks. With 350 lumens of brightness, it ensures clear visibility in low light conditions, making it perfect for car repairs, home projects, camping, and emergencies. Powered by a 4,000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, this work light provides up to 5 hours of continuous operation, delivering consistent and efficient illumination. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy portability, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you need a hands-free light for mechanics, DIY projects, or outdoor activities, this LED work light is a dependable and practical tool to keep on hand for any situation. Number 5. OGERY LED Work Light. The OGERY rechargeable 1000 mAh camping light is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers. With a max height of 6.5 feet and 3 LED lamp heads, this light provides powerful illumination, offering 2200 lumens of brightness. It's perfect for camping, workspaces, or emergency situations. The dimmable feature allows you to adjust the brightness according to your needs, while the magnetic emergency flashlight ensures reliable lighting when you need it most. The detachable tripod offers versatility, letting you set it up easily wherever you need light. With a long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery, you'll have hours of illumination at your disposal, making this an essential tool for any outdoor adventure or repair work.